everybody, it's Pumpkin. Just a really fast video today because she ordered herself some stuff and she's been dying to get it open, but she wanted to record it, and took a couple moments after work before her weekend to just open up her packages and show you what she got for herself, because she's pretty excited. It's been a long time since she's really had the ability to treat herself to something. So this is what she got. And yeah. Anyway, hope you're all having a great Saturday, and see you later.
Happy Saturday, everybody. Today's first Saturday in May. I lost track of the days. I just finished work. It's officially my weekend. And I hope that these are all my packages of what I actually ordered for myself. And I'm dying for what's in this one. So I need to get this filmed real quick. Because, family life starts like immediately. So let's hurry up and open this. Yes. This is what I have been dying for, wanting so badly. I keep having, I got so much shit in here. I keep having so many issues with my headphones and shorting out the wires, because I tend to do it in the bathtub as far as the editing don't get dirty. Again, bathtub, stay clean. But these are waterproof wireless headphones with a microphone. I don't know how well the audio quality is going to be on the mic, but the fact that they're waterproof and wireless, nothing stops me from listening to YouTube now in the shower, or podcasts, or anything else. And if the recording quality is decent, even better. So this is what I got, is these, let's see if I can get it out of the box. Let's see here. So of course they come with extra little squishies. And this is for charging them. And apparently the box is childproof. I can't, there we go. Okay. So they just fit in your ears, and you put them in here to charge them back up. I don't know how long they last before they need to be recharged. And I can't get them out. Oh my gosh. Come on, peoples. There we go. Alright, it's a little case to charge them, and it has a little, the old-fashioned USB, like the Samsung, the old Samsung. Come on, don't be that way. Why doesn't it want to fit in there? Come on, I don't want to break it. There we go. And then charge them up. So I'm going to charge these and try them out. And I suppose I should really read the instructions to see if you're supposed to charge them first, because all these electronics these days, it's different than when we were youngins and you had to do a full charge, or the battery. No. Let's see here. Bluetooth wireless, hands-free calling, enjoy music streaming, blah, 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 blah. Let's see here. Before wearing, you need to identify according to left and right. Okay, so there's left and right. And gives it charging headset. Does it need to be charged first? Okay, so there's a right and left for the charger, apparently. Okay, this is left. I would assume left goes in left. Yes. Okay, good. I did it correct the first time, which is good. And then it's got little lights. So apparently they're like recharged. And then it has instructions on how to turn them on and off and all that other stuff. Let's see here. I'm just reading to see if you have to charge them before you use them. Doesn't sound like it. Maybe they get a little bit of a charge. Anyway, I will try these out and let you know. But pretty cool. Even if they have a terrible mic for, you know, recording, it's still, they're waterproof to listen to them while I'm in the water. So that was the thing that I was dying to open. I don't know how many times I'm walking around the house listening to my phone with headphones with a wire, because nobody in the house wants to listen to what I'm listening to. They all think it's creepy, the morbid stuff. And they don't care about the diamond painting. So I'm walking around with a cord and constantly getting the cord caught on door handles and cabinet knobs, and then it like yanks the phone out of my hand and yanks the earbud out of my ear, and I don't know how many times I've done that. I bet y'all have done it. You know exactly what I'm talking about, but I do it like several times a day. So I wanted wireless. Wonderful. Okay, let's see what's in the next box. All right. This should be, I believe, my sink wrap. And open from here. Open from here. Some assembly required, I'm sure. Parts. Yeah, there's lots of assembly required. Okay, that's going to be a separate video, but that's my sink wrap. I'll show a picture of it. All right, and then this is the shelf that's been sitting here for a week. That's pretty funny. Wendy, enjoy your gift from Brian Daney. Okay, I don't know how I sent a gift to myself, but thanks, Brian. Excuse me, that was the box. And a smaller box inside a bigger box, because I need more boxes in my life. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Styrofoam shrapnel. Not going to take it out of the plastic. You'll get to see that in the video, but it's just like a crown molding bracketless shelf for the bathroom. So I guess you can all guess what kind of videos are coming up. I'm going to assemble the cross stitch frame, the sink wrap, and hang this shelf, and that'll all be in the immediate future. I'll probably tell you how the headphones work. And I guess we might as well see where I'm at on my whips. So let's take a peek. Oh, ouch. Okay. Okay, it's a little crowded in here. Let me back up so you can see. I went to bed without putting away my stuff. So Brian carried in all of my table with my computer and my cross stitch. And yeah, I've got quite the mess going here. My room is quite crowded. Oh, don't look at policy numbers. I got shit everywhere. I really, really need to clean this up. You can see there's like no room to move, but that's where we're at. So, tally ho. Talk to y'all soon. I wonder if you can hear anything that I'm saying right now. I'm using my new wireless headphones. But I suppose since I'm right next to the phone anyway, you should still be able to hear it. I don't know. We'll see how it all works. But yeah, they paired up instantly. Our boom jackets that we had, those things were hard as hell to pair for the TVs outside or whatever.
How cool is that? You can listen to your audio in the shower, wireless. And, you know, if she wears her hair down, nobody in the family will even know that she's listening to podcasts and Stick With Me's and Whip Chat stuff, and just smile and nod and pretend that she's really involved with the family when she's really, you know, just doing her own thing incognito. Kind of neato, yeah. Anyway, that was her big thing she was so excited about. And I'm sure she'll let you know whether or not it works really well. Bye now.